Another blast of winter-like weather is expected to set up across the entire state of Montana here in the upcoming work week. So weather headlines, changing patterns. We got a mild and windy day setting up tomorrow. 60s are likely to be widespread, but don't let that fool you because a strong Canadian cold front moves in Tuesday afternoon and evening, and then that means rain changing to snow, gusty winds, travel impacts are likely with accumulating snow for the valley floor and over the mountain passes on the day Wednesday. So again, a pretty strong cold pool is dropping southward into Montana. Big drop on temperatures, well below normal by the time we get into Wednesday and Thursday, although ahead of this storm, again, we could be in the 60s and 70s. National Weather Service probability of snow from 6 a.m. Tuesday to 6 p.m. Wednesday. Their snowfall models, this is early and likely this will change. They're showing that on the low end, most valleys could pick up very little to 1 or 2 inches, but on the high end, anywhere from 3 to 8 inches. But more than likely, most valleys will see about 2 to 5 inches of snow Tuesday evening through Wednesday, diminishing into Thursday morning. So that's what this global forecast model is showing. A strong cold front moving through Missoula and Great Falls at about 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday, digging southward quickly into southwest Montana, and after sunset, we're expecting rain changing to snow for that Wednesday morning commute. Widespread snow likely, especially for mountain passes, but more than likely the valley floor as well. And you can see it still lingers into the early morning hours on Thursday, beginning to break by Thursday evening. Now, keep in mind, this is just for analytical purposes. This model is being extremely bullish on potential snow accumulations. What this model does not really take into effect is the fact that it's going to be very, very warm out ahead of the storm. So road surfaces and ground surfaces will be warm enough that initially that snow will be melting as it hits the ground. So this one's showing some hefty amounts across southwest, south central Montana. This model doesn't go out as far in time, but it does show a slightly different solution in the fact that it could have lesser impacts west of Interstate 15, but still much bigger impacts are likely from Bozeman to Billings up towards Lewistown. So here's the setup. We have a high pressure ridge building in right now. That's keeping our weather pattern calm and quiet for your Sunday afternoon. But a powerful cold front just sits to the north of us in northwestern British Columbia. That's the change. It'll be setting up Tuesday and into Wednesday. Get the yard work done now because, again, a winter blast is coming in the next couple of days. The rest of today looks sunny, warm, and dry for Butte. And for Bozeman, we're trying to get into the mid-50s here this afternoon under abundant sunshine and dry conditions. Updates on this changing pattern tonight at 5:30 and 10 on KXLF and KBZK.